Hello everyone, welcome once again. In our previous video, we talked about Freecash, how to get your referral code on Freecash. Now in this video, we're going to look at how to enter bonus code on your Freecash app. Now before we do that, don't forget Freecash is a website that offers various ways to earn money online. It works by completing offers, earning coins, redeeming rewards, and it has legitimacy, earning potential, time commitment, and referral program. Overall, it's a viable option for earning some extra cash online, but do not expect to get rich quickly. Now, how can we enter a bonus code on Freecash? It's quite simple. Just follow these 5 steps I'm going to give to you. The first step is to log into your Freecash account. Next, click on your profile icon. Look for the bonus code or promo code section. Then click on it and enter the code in the provided field. Click on redeem or apply to activate the bonus. The specific steps may vary slightly depending on Freecash website layout, but the general process should be similar. Please note, and this is extremely important, ensure the bonus code is valid and hasn't expired, so always check for validity. Next, always read the terms and conditions associated with the bonus code to understand any requirements or restrictions. But if you follow the steps, you can definitely redeem bonus codes and unlock additional rewards on Freecash. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.